수고하세요. 수고하세요. This is used to say keep up the good work in Korean. Again, 수고하세요 is used to say keep up the good work. Next word is 아침. Again, this is pronounced as 아침, and this is the Korean term for morning. Again, 아침 is morning. Next word is 만나다. Again, it's 만나다, and this is a verb which means to meet. Again, 만나다 means to meet. Next word is 이름. Again, this is pronounced as 이름, and this is the Korean term for name. Again, 이름 is name. Next word is 뭐예요. Again, it's 뭐예요, and this is used to say what is it. Again, 뭐예요 or 뭐예요 is used to say what is it. Next word is 가다. Again, it's 가다. This is a verb which means to go. Again, 가다 means to go. Next word is 하다. Again, this is pronounced as 하다. This is a verb which means to do. Again, 하다 means to do. Next word is 울다. Again, it's 울다. This is a verb which means to cry. Again, 울다 means to cry. Next word is 가자. Again, this is pronounced as 가자, and this is used to say let's go in an informal manner. Again, 가자 means let's go. Next word is 갑시다. Again, this is pronounced as 갑시다, and this is another way of saying let's go, but this is a formal way of saying let's go. 먹다. 먹다. This is a verb which means to eat. Again, 먹다 is a verb which means to eat. Next word is 마시다. Again, it's 마시다. This is a verb which means to drink. Again, 마시다 means to drink. Next word is 웃다. Again, it's 웃다, and this is a verb which means to smile or to laugh. Again, 웃다 means to smile or laugh. Next word is 괜찮아. Again, this is pronounced as 괜찮아, and this is used to say it's okay in an informal manner. Again, 괜찮아 means it's okay. Next word is 괜찮습니다. Again, this is pronounced as 괜찮습니다, and this is a formal way of saying it's okay. Again, 괜찮습니다 means it's okay. Next word is 알다. Again, it's 알다. This is a verb which means to know or understand. Again, 알다 means to know or to understand. Next word is Araso. Again, it's Araso. This is an informal way of saying I understand or I got it. Again, Araso is used to say I understand. Next word is 걷다. Again, it's 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Again, 걷다 means to walk. Next word is 나중에. Again, it's 나중에. This is used to say later in Korean. Again, 나중에 means later. Next word is 아버지. Again, it's 아버지. And this is the Korean term for father. Again, 아버지 means father. 어머니. 어머니. This is the Korean term for mother. Again, 어머니 is mother. Next word is oppa. Again, it's oppa. This is used to say brother, and this is more likely used by a younger sister to call his older brother. Next word is 형. Again, it's 형. This is another way to say brother, but this is used by a younger brother. Again, 형 means brother. Next word is 언니. Again, it's 언니. And this is used to say sister, and this is used by a younger sister. Again, 언니 is used to call your older sister if you are a girl. Next is 누나. Again, it's 누나. And this is used to call your older sister if you are a younger brother. Again, 누나 means older sister. Next word is 언제. Again, it's 언제. And this is used to ask when. So if you're asking about a date or time, you can use 언제. Next word is 오다. Again, it's 오다. And this is a verb which means to come. Again, 오다 means to come. Next word is 일어나. Again, it's 일어나. And this is used to say wake up or get up. Again, 일어나 is used to say wake up or get up. Next word is 오늘. Again, it's 오늘. And this is used to say today. Again, 오늘 means today. Next word is 내일. Again, it's 내일. And this is used to say tomorrow. Again, 내일 means tomorrow. 어제. Again, this is pronounced as 어제. And this is used to say yesterday. Again, 어제 means yesterday. Next word is 지금. Again, it's 지금. And this is used to say now. Again, 지금 means now. Next word is 아까. Again, it's 아까. And this is used to say a while ago today. Again, 아까 means a while ago today. Next word is 어디. Again, it's 어디. And this is used to say or ask where. So if you wanted to ask for a place or location, you can use 어디. Next word is 어떻게. Again, it's 어떻게. And this is used to say what to do. Again, 어떻게 is used to say what to do. Next word is 어떻게. Again, 어떻게. And this is used to ask how. Or this is used to ask about the manner of doing something. Again, 어떻게 is used to ask how. Next word is 축하합니다. Again, it's 축하합니다. And this is used to say congratulations. Again, 축하합니다 means congratulations. Next word is 왜. Again, 왜. And this is used to ask why. Or if you wanted to ask for the reason for something. Again, 왜 means why. Next word is moruda. Again, moruda. And this is a verb which means not to know or to not know. Again, moruda means not to know. Next word is molla. Again, it's molla. And this is used to say, I don't know in an informal manner. Again, molla means I don't know. 세상이, 세상이. And this is a Korean term for world. Again, 세상이 means world. Next word is 누구. Again, it's 누구. And this is used to ask who, or if you wanted to ask about a person. Again, 누구 means who. Next word is 할아버지. Again, it's 할아버지. This is used to say grandpa in Korean. Again, 할아버지 is grandfather. Next word is 할머니. Again, it's 할머니. This is used to say grandma or grandmother in Korean. Again, 할머니 is grandma. Next word is 남편. Again, it's 남편. And this is the Korean term for husband. Again, 남편 means husband. Next word is 아내. Again, 아내. And this is a Korean term for wife. Again, 아내 means wife. Next word is 부모. Again, it's 부모. And this is the Korean noun which means parents. But if you wanted to address your parents, you can use 부모님. Again, 부모 means parents. Next word is 딸. Again, 딸. And this is the Korean term for daughter. Again, 딸 is the Korean term for daughter. Next word is 아들. Again, it's 아들. And this is a Korean term for son. Again, 아들 is used to say son in Korean. Next word is 손자. Again, 손자. And this is a Korean term for grandchild. Again, 손자 means grandchild.